Hi guys, what I'm going to do today is head down to Old Town Phuket, walk around a bit, check it out, and see what we can find to eat. So I'm in Old Town Phuket, and I'm going to show you a little bit of the architecture here, unlike anything you'll ever see in Thailand. So here's the place we decided to pick, right here in Old Town Phuket. Gonna stop into this little place and get something to eat and see how it tastes. So what you just made there was an order of khao mein gai, which is just chicken and rice. Very simply a boiled chicken with some rice. So here's the order of khao mein gai. We'll let you know how it tastes. So this is the chili sauce that they give you with their chicken and rice. And this is what it's all about. If this sauce is good, it's what makes the dish. So we'll put some of this on there and see how that tastes. So what this is bak kute. It's a soup that has mushrooms, a beef broth, some beef. Let's give this a try. Not 100% sure, but I think the name of that place was Ting Li. Well, that turned out to be really good. That soup was just fantastic. That broth, the crispy pork, the chicken and rice, the whole entire thing had water and also Thai milk tea. Never really had that before, but it was iced tea with milk. Extremely refreshing. I really liked it. Anyhow, the whole thing came to just under $9, so pretty good if you ask me, and the food was top-notch. It was great. Definitely recommend trying that place out. Come to Old Phuket Town. One, great place to walk around. I'll show you a little bit more of it, but the food in there was fantastic. While you're watching this video, do me a big favor, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I want to keep making these videos. The only way I'm going to be able to do that is if you guys subscribe, become part of the channel. I want to hear your input. Like I always say, leave me a message. Let me know you're a new subscriber. Go ahead and let me know where you want me to go try. I'd love to make a video of places that you guys know of, places that you guys like. So here's a museum in Old Town Phuket. So I'm gonna go in and take a look, see if there's anything interesting in there. So hey guys, thanks for coming along with me into Old Phuket Town, and hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. So thanks guys, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.